This is a video that I truly hesitated to shoot until I realized that this guy here is the best-selling tablet on Amazon. I don't know why or how, but for some reason, I've been reviewing nothing but tablets lately. If you actually check out my channel, you'll see the Tab A, the new Fire HD 10, the iPad. It's just been nothing but tablets. This was known as the Kindle Fire, and that was years ago. But today we know it as the Amazon Fire 7. And like I mentioned, I actually bought it without even knowing that it was the best-selling tablet. It was just cheap, so I figured I'd just pick it up. So as we fly through the unboxing here, there are a few things to know about this tablet. It is really budget-friendly at $50, but I actually paid $30 for mine when it went on sale. Oh, by the way, if you haven't already, please do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. It's a huge boost to the channel, and it helps me put out more content for you. Also, to you guys already subscribed to the channel, I truly appreciate your support. So Amazon does offer different colors for this thing. And as we take this out, you can see that you get the tablet with the same Amazon signature packaging, along with the manual, the charging brick, and the charging cable, which is a micro USB. So it is the latest generation of the Fire 7, which starts at 16 gigabytes of storage and I believe 1 gig of RAM. And you also have a micro SD card slot that can allow you to pump up the storage all the way to 512 gigabytes. You have the power button, the micro USB for charging, the volume rocker, and the mic at the top here. And this version is supposed to be faster than the previous one. I personally couldn't even imagine what the speed was like in the previous one because I anticipate that the speed here is not going to be that amazing. But then again, no surprises there, especially at this price point, $50. It does come preloaded with Alexa. Obviously, you do have access to Amazon Prime. You can still download Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, and so many more apps from the Amazon app. I gotta be honest though, streaming on here is actually not bad, especially given the screen size and the resolution on here. It's 1024 by 600. Not only that, you also get the opportunity to sideload Google Play Store and be able to download all of the other fun applications that the Play Store has. And the battery is not bad for something at this level. Amazon does claim 7 hours, but I think I was only able to hit a little bit over 4 hours, but still not bad at all. You get 720p video recording, so the 2 megapixel cameras are just as bad as the ones on the other Amazon tablets. So here's my take. If this thing goes on sale again for $30, buy it. No hesitation, just buy it. It's not a premium tablet. I don't even think it was meant to be a premium tablet, but it's crazy sturdy and it's good for streaming and it's cheap. So if you're looking for a basic tablet, even if this one is not on sale, at $50, I still think it's pretty good, which is the reason why it's so popular on Amazon. But anyways, I hope this helps you in your purchasing decision. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, of course, and I'm going to catch you in the comment section and also in the next video. Peace.